cars are still nicely in position. We're back for her second and final jump into the cars today, ladies and gentlemen. Crash helmet there, put that on the passenger seat. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, one more time for the final time. We are back out again later on. Kangaroo Kick still to come. But right now, make some noise for the Grim Reaper and your lady driver. Do you want to see one more? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! There, ladies and gentlemen. So, as the show comes to a close, ladies and gentlemen, I now want to show you why you never make an enemy out of a man who's got a monster truck, especially one as big as Big Pete. Because when I pull into these two rear cars, we're going to demonstrate to you just how flat I could get your car if we ever fell out. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Around about 1 foot high. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thanks for coming out to see us. Make some noise for the stars of the